Introducing the 2023 Skoda Karoq AMB 1.0 TSI with 110 horsepower and a sleek grey exterior. This 5-door estate Jeep is loaded with comfort and convenience features like air conditioning, cruise control, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Safety is a priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy stylish extras like privacy glass and roof rails. This vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specs, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us now or visit our website spiritskoda.ie for more details. Drive away with confidence in the Skoda Karoq AMB 1.0 TSI today.